Hello everyone, in this video what we are going to see is, as you can see, the animation. This is what we are going to see. This is a simple animation. Here we don't have to worry about JavaScript, just we have to know what is CSS3 and its transform and transition property. Okay, let me remove all the CSS and show you the HTML. This is a single line HTML. We have an anchor tag, and followed by that, let's see, I have XX and I have a title. Don't forget the title. The title is really important. I'll show you why. Fine. The first thing what we're going to do it, we are going to place the link on the center dot. It is simply a anchor tag, so anchor position absolute top 50 percentage, left of 50 percentage, transform translate minus 50 percentage on x-axis and minus 50 percentage on y-axis. That's come into the center. Now it's time to style the anchor tag. The first we need to do is, let me make the color, no, not now, font size of 30 pixel, then text decoration none. Fine. I just want to show you, remove the XX. No, we'll keep it. I'll show you why. Anchor tag, before anchor tag, what we are going to add is a content. What is the content? The attribute of title, and we want it not on the before but on top of it. To make on top of it, we are going to make use of position. Absolute is the right one because it takes the parent as the measuring point. Right now the anchor tag is the parent, so it starts from the anchor tag. Left of 0 pixel, right of 0 pixel. Check. Fine. Now we don't need the XX, let's remove it. Okay, the same way do it for after as well. So the two we have before and after lined up. Let me give the background color to it. The first one should have red, the second should be black. Let me give the padding of 20 pixel. Before that, the best rule is margin 0, padding 0 for all box sizing, border box. We missed something, let me see what it is. Simple as that. Here it should come top. Fine. Now change the color of the anchor tag to white. Now as I have told you, there are two content. The one with red and the one with black is one below the other. Let's choose the before first. What I need is, I'm going to use the transition for true smooth transaction 0.5s. Apply it on after as well. transform translate x-axis 100 pixel minus 100 pixel. Fine. Now add the rotate as well. 0 degree, not 0, it's 90 degree, so that we cannot see the anchor tag, it will be slanting. -90 degree on y-axis. The same way here there won't be any transition, but when I hover, the transition value should be interchanged. So when I hover, A:(after) and A:(before). So when I hover, the value should get interchanged between before and after. So after it should get okay, for before it should be 0. If you get this image, that means you forgot to write origin for, this is before, right? So this is after. For before, we'll be writing the value is here, right? So it should transform to the right side. So appropriately the black color is here, so we want the value to be shifted from right side. Refresh it, you'll see the difference. Seems to be working fine except the value of -100. Everything was simple except we have to add just minus over here. Refresh it, and that's it. Thank you for listening.